Hello everyone. This is the second example of MetaCsound. In this case, we will go directly to explain the MetaSound graph because we have already explained in the first example how to install the plugin. So the second example will be the bomb. So because this is a first-person shooter template, the player can move, but it can pick up a weapon, and then this weapon uh, can shoot a bomb that will eventually explode. So if you go to the MetaSound graph, now we have a more complex graph. If we start from the end, we can see that the graph has two phases, actually. It has like the sparkling phase, that is the sound before the explosion, and then the explosion itself. And they will be mixed with this node. So because it's a one shot sound, it means that it will end. It will be a short sound that it will end eventually. Um, in comparison to the wind, which is like a very constant sound that it never stops. This will stop, and, and when it stops, it will use this output to signal that it has stopped. So let's first start by checking the sparkling phase, the spark phase. So we have here we have an asset that is a sound that of sparkling, and when starting the sound, we will the wave player node will start playing this sound. The output will be inputted in the Csound node. And then the Csound node will modify slightly the sound, and it will output the sound to the monomixer, as we have seen. So let's see the bomb.csv file, which is, as we have seen already, it's here on the Csound files folder. So in this case, the Csound file is very simple. It just adds a Butterworth low pass filter, which with a cutoff frequency increasing as the time passes. So in this example, this is the Csound file is not very important. The important, what I really want to show, is the capabilities of these play, stop, and unfinished events. So here, as we can see, we have another input, which is called explode. And when this input is triggered, we want to end this spark phase, and we want to start the explosion. So when this explode is triggered, the sparks will get stopped, and because they get stopped, they will trigger the unfinished trigger, which is connected to the stop Csound trigger. And because the Csound node will have stopped, the unfinished trigger will trigger, and this trigger will signal the start of the second phase, the explosion phase. So when basically this Csound node finishes, the wave player for the explosion will start playing. As we can see that here now. If we play, we have heard the low pass filter increasing the frequency, the cutoff frequency. And then if I press the explode, this fire spark sound will stop and the explosion will start. Okay, that's good. So how we can now map this input into a real blueprint? We'll go to the content, first person blueprints, and we'll go to the projectile itself. So when the projectile is created, this begin play event will be triggered, and this will spawn the sound, the bomb sound. This in this case is attached because we want to make the sound be spatialized around the static mesh of the projectile itself. So when once we have uh, the sound when we have created the sound, when this projectile is destroyed, so this event destroyed is triggered, we will want to trigger the explode uh, parameter of the bomb MetaSound graph. So this will be it. This will work. And if we go, well, yeah. So to be able to not hear anything, we will stop the wind sound because we don't want to hear it now. So I will get the weapon, and now if I shoot, we have heard that when it gets to it starts the spark noise, but when it uh, it collides with one of these blue boxes, it explodes automatically. And if not, it will explode eventually with a cooldown. Sorry. Okay, so this is the second example. Thank you for watching, and see you in the third one.